Imagine a massive corporation. It has huge offices, hundreds of employees, and big tech budgets. Now picture a small company. Only 5 employees, one modest office. At first glance, it seems outmatched. But then, the small company leverages AI. It analyzes customer questions, automates repetitive tasks, and speeds up research. Suddenly, this small team moves faster than its larger competitor. For decades, small businesses found ways to compete. AI now offers speed as an advantage, the narrator observes. Can a small company really compete with a giant? The answer is yes. But it's not just about having better AI, it's about using technology smarter. Small companies don't need to outdo large ones in every area. They must excel in what truly matters to their customers. First, let's talk about speed. Large organizations deal with management layers and lengthy approvals. A small business can quickly respond to customer feedback. Instead of long approval processes, an AI-assisted workflow can analyze feedback, leading to faster actions. In fast-changing markets, speed becomes your ally. Next, let's discuss automation. Many repetitive tasks can drain time. Picture a small business owner, overwhelmed with emails and scheduling. With AI, these tasks can be automated, freeing up hours. Remember, the goal isn't to replace workers but to allow them more time for meaningful tasks. Then we have specialization. Small companies shouldn't aim to serve everyone. AI can help them become niche experts, like a marketing agency focused solely on dental clinics. This specialization builds a unique value for customers who need specific services. Knowing your customers is another major advantage. AI can organize numerous interactions. It spots trends like requests for faster delivery or confusing pricing options, enabling timely responses. This insight boosts customer satisfaction. Now let's look at productivity. A small team can do more with AI. Before using AI, a 5-person team may struggle with limited marketing and slow research. After embracing AI, they produce faster drafts and improved documentation. However, remember that AI must always be paired with human oversight. Personalized customer experiences offer another edge. Large corporations often fail at personalization. A small business can leverage AI to remember customer preferences, delivering speed and relevant information. Privacy and data handling remain crucial. Every interaction should feel human, not robotic. Knowledge retention is vital as well. Many small companies have expertise locked in employee minds. A well-structured internal knowledge system ensures this information is accessible. And let's not forget experimentation. Small firms can swiftly test out ideas using AI for surveys or market research before making significant investments. AI doesn't replace validation, it supports it. Developing a human AI workforce can lead to unprecedented collaboration. Humans manage strategy and ethics, while AI handles repetitive tasks. Finally, the most remarkable advantage may be continuous learning. A cycle of testing, measuring, and improving helps keep pace with change. Let's wrap all this together. Start with identifying bottlenecks. Automate one small task. Keep people involved. Measure results. Expand carefully. Protect your data. And, most importantly, keep learning. We see the small company from the beginning again. The team hasn't grown large but can deliver faster responses and learn quickly. The future isn't just for those with the deepest pockets. It belongs to those who can effectively harness technology. Small businesses don't need to outdo giants. They can create their own advantage through speed, specialization, and relationships, the narrator concludes. AI is a tool, not a strategy. The real strategy is understanding customers and solving their needs. For more insights on AI and business, subscribe to Finance Flow. Asterisk disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. AI tools and business strategies involve risks and changing regulations. Businesses should evaluate tools carefully and consider professional advice. In the crowded marketplace of today, the small firm stands out not because of its size, but due to its agility and innovation, consistently prioritizing customer needs above all. With AI tools in their arsenal, they streamline processes that once consumed precious time, enabling them to pivot quickly in response to emerging trends. Employees no longer feel bogged down by mundane tasks. Instead, they channel their creative energies toward developing solutions that genuinely resonate with their clientele. Now, as the small business evolves, it embarks on an exciting journey of growth. The team collaborates closely, utilizing AI to identify customer pain points and responding proactively. Each member feels empowered, knowing their contributions directly impact the business's trajectory. In this dynamic environment, brainstorming sessions ignite innovative ideas, fueled by real-time data analytics. Clients notice the difference, drawn in by personalized service that makes them feel valued and understood. The small business, once overlooked, now thrives, showcasing that size doesn't define success, but adaptability and insight do. As the narrative unfolds, we see the small company not just surviving but thriving amid the competition. Their dedication to building meaningful relationships with clients becomes a cornerstone of their success, setting them apart in a landscape filled with impersonal giants. The business owner frequently checks in with customers, seeking feedback and suggestions, which further fosters loyalty. Each interaction is not merely transactional. It feels like a partnership built on mutual respect and understanding. This human touch, combined with the efficiency of AI, creates a powerful synergy that propels the company forward. The once modest establishment now stands as a beacon of innovation and customer centricity, proving that resilience combined with smart technology use can lead to remarkable achievements. With this newfound strength, the small business launches tailored marketing campaigns, meticulously crafted using insights gathered through AI analytics. As they engage in targeted outreach, customers respond positively, feeling as though the brand truly understands their needs. Social media buzz grows, with clients sharing their experiences, effectively becoming brand advocates. No longer just a small player, the company now captures attention, outmaneuvering competitors who rely on traditional methods. Consistently, they pivot strategies based on emerging data, fostering an environment of adaptability that keeps the business ahead of the curve. With each step forward, the commitment to customer care reinforces their place in the market, showcasing that thoughtful innovation coupled with responsiveness can redefine the game. In a world where giants seem to rule, the small company embodies a new model of success. Through harnessing AI, they don't just streamline workflows but also foster an ethos of continuous improvement, learning from each engagement. They celebrate wins together, turning customer feedback into actionable insights, adapting their approaches swiftly to meet ever-changing demands. The community surrounding the business grows as customers feel invested in their journey, fueling a cycle of innovation that propels them forward. This symbiotic relationship emphasizes that the heart of any business lies in understanding and genuinely caring for its customers. In this thriving environment, the company embarks on a new venture, developing an AI-driven platform designed to further enhance customer engagement. This innovative tool allows the team to send personalized follow-up messages and tailor promotions based on previous interactions, ensuring each customer feels valued. Far from being just a transactional exchange, this initiative aims to deepen relationships, creating a community built on trust and responsiveness. Customers often express appreciation for the company's efforts, leading to increased loyalty and repeat business. As a result, The small firm not only meets expectations but consistently exceeds them, demonstrating the power of an agile approach fueled by cutting-edge technology. As the small company's reputation grows, they host local workshops to engage with the community. Attendees are eager to learn about the innovative strategies the company employs, particularly its use of AI. These sessions become a platform not just for sharing knowledge but for building stronger relationships with customers, demonstrating that the firm values their input and feedback. Participants leave inspired, sharing their insights with others, further amplifying the company's presence in the market. This commitment to community involvement showcases the small business's understanding that success intertwines with the collective aspirations of those they serve. With each interaction, they reinforce the notion that technology, combined with a personal touch, creates a more profound and lasting impact in today's ever-evolving landscape. As word spreads about the company's transformative methodology, potential clients begin to line up, eager to experience firsthand the benefits of being part of this innovative community. Many express admiration for how the company has managed to maintain its human touch while embracing technology. By strategically sharing success stories, the small business cultivates an image of reliability and competence, positioning itself as not just a service provider, but a trusted partner in growth. This narrative slowly reshapes the perception of small companies, proving that nimbleness and creativity can stand shoulder to shoulder with the powerhouses of industry, ready to redefine their roles in the marketplace. As we conclude this journey, remember that in an ever-evolving landscape, small businesses hold the potential to redefine success. By embracing technology alongside a commitment to relationships, they showcase that adaptability, insight, and a unique understanding of customer needs can indeed reshape the marketplace. The future is bright for those willing to innovate and connect authentically.